Today I am talking about something special about this aerospace stocks. This stocks trade at this moment $93 and these stocks give today return 0.7%. In the last 5 days these stocks make how much return? Here you can see last 5 days these stocks make approximately 0.9%. In the last 1 month these stocks make how much return? Here you can see more than 3% positive return. In the last 6 months these stocks make approximately 15% gain. That means positive signal these stocks make. In the last year to date these stocks gain only 7% return, and here you can see in the last 1 year these stocks make only 20% 25% return. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years these stocks make how much return? Here you can see these stocks gain approximately 240% return. That means these stocks gain market valuation 240%. In the whole return, here you can see how much return? Only 300% return these stocks make. So these stocks are listed some few years ago and these stocks make return from here to there. Okay, these stocks start to make return from 2018 and at this moment these stocks make approximately 700%. So if you invest in 2018 in these stocks in only 1000 rupees, $1000, your money will become $7,000. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more stocks breakdown.